Hi Girl Scouts, my name is Emily. I'm here at UFAB and I'm going to do a little tutorial on how to make these masks. So you're going to start with your pile here and you're going to pull two from the top and you're going to match them up so the little red dots line up. You'll put them in the machine. You're going to want to do a 1/4 inch seam allowance, which usually is the width of the foot, and you're just going to start. You can do a medium length stitch, doesn't have to be too short. And you're gonna stop when you get to the first red dot, which on yours will be a white chalk mark because you have the black masks. You're gonna take your cut elastic and you're gonna slide it in between the layers up to the red mark. You're gonna stitch over it. And then, really importantly, you're gonna back stitch because we want these to be really, really secure. So you'll just do a little back stitch over that and then carry on. Making sure to stop before you get to your next red dot, and you're going to take the other end of your elastic and slide it in there, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go over it and then back stitch. Okay, so once you get that done, you're going to end up with a whole bunch of pieces, finished pieces that look like this. So you're going to have the two layers with the elastic sandwiched in between. You're gonna cut all those apart and then you're gonna flip them like this and like this. And then you are ready to put them together. So you'll make sure you can hold your elastic so they don't get caught into the seam. And you're gonna continue to do a 1/4 seam allowance. However, it's really important you catch all the layers in. So if you have to do a tiny bit bigger seam allowance, you can totally do that. All right. And you're gonna wanna make sure that you backstitch at the top and at the bottom of the mask so they're really secure. All right, and so once you do that, you're gonna end up with a piece like this, backstitched at the top, backstitched at the bottom, and then once you do that, you're all done. And you're ready, protected, and ready to go. Oh, but you should leave it inside out because we are going to overlock the edge so everything is nice and clean and comfortable to wear. So you can leave it just like this. Okay?